Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I have something special. I've been waiting for this for a long time. I finally found one. So yeah, let's get to it. Now before we start this video, I want you to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, and let's get to it. So just to let you know that this does come perfectly wrapped, but obviously I couldn't wait. I just had to unwrap it. But yeah, let's show you what the mod is. Here is my new steering wheel. I've been waiting for a flat bottom for ages. So I was trying to say shout out to Sebastian Okon. I'll leave his link down below in the description. I'll say go check him out. He will do you a perfect job. Let him know what you want and he can do it. But yeah, I really enjoy this one. He had it up for sale. I thought, yeah, got to do it this time. But yeah, you can feel like the leather is fantastic. Got the blue ring there, which obviously goes well with the car, and the blue stitching as well on the sides. But yeah, shout out to Sebastian, mate. Thank you so much. You did a fantastic job, and I'm really happy with this new steering wheel, and I'm going to be fitting this in. But yeah, literally it is a straight swap for what you have at the moment, but it just goes straight in. But yeah, I'm literally so happy. As you can tell by my voice, I'm so happy for this. Like, I've always wanted a flat bottom. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. But yeah, let's get to fitting this. Right guys, so first thing first, you need to do is obviously disconnect the battery. So make sure you disconnect the battery before you even go near the steering wheel, because you don't want to get blown up to smithereens. Well, not smithereens, but yeah, you know, it's that airbag smashed you in the face. Yeah, it's not pretty. But yeah, what you will need, I think you're obviously going to need a T10 Torx bit, which will go for the holes at the back, but I'll show you in a second. But yeah, I think that's what you're going to need. But we'll learn on the way. I haven't done this before, so you know, every car is different, isn't it? So yeah, you want to extend it all the way out so you have enough leverage. In the back of the steering wheel, there's these holes. Obviously, use a Torx 10 bit, and obviously try and get it in the hole. Obviously, that's what she said, but yeah. Should be one in the bottom here as well. Not mistaken. As you can see, there's one just up here somewhere, just like over here. You got the last one on this side, which you can see there. So there's obviously one here, one behind here, and then one behind here. These the 3 screws. This should come out quite easily. Be careful, but pull it out, push it out, because it's like, I'll show you. It's like you see these little like little hooks, and then you want to just pull this cable out of the where your radio bit is. So that bit there, you just want to flathead and then push it out. Done. And that just comes straight out. Turn it across. You can see there's like a little clip bit. So all you want to do is at the back, so you just want to push it down, and then pull the horn out. So guys, once you've done all the clips, you get all these wires. I would recommend taking it out from here, undo the airbag, and undo this one, undo that, all done. Put it somewhere safe. Now all you have to do is, I would recommend, is putting the steering wheel straight, taking this bolt out, and starting from there. 24mm. As you can see, I don't have the right tool, so I'm going to go with this. But yeah, 24mm, keep the steering wheel straight, and you just want to just undo it slowly, like that. And just pull out the steering wheel. Before you do,
make sure we unclip this white one here. Like that, and just undo that bit there. It's quite simple. Now all you want to do is you want to remove these so you can put it on the other one. So Torx bit, undo this here, which also you need a smaller one, which will be a 220. Of course it will. Undo that. Just undo that bit, and then you have the whole thing. So you want to keep that bit there, and now get the new one, and then you just want to place that in the same hole of the new one. Make sure that's up like that. Screw that back on. Once you've done that, you can now connect all your connectors like so. Like that. Once you plug the airbag in, you should be able just to push it in like that. And yeah, that is all done. As you can see, the steering wheel looks so good. Like, love the flat bottom as well. It's not focusing. Yeah, it looks quite nice. A little strip at the top with the ring, with the blue stitching and the flat bottom. I think it looks fantastic. But yeah, that's how you install everything. It's all done. Now all you need to do is just go back, connect the battery rack up. Ready? That's all done. In a moment or two, I'm not gonna stand next to it, it might fucking blow me up. Perfect. That is all done. All done. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And another shout out just one more time, because I'm over the moon with it. Sebastian Okon, thank you so much. Did a fantastic job. Very quick at dispatching it and then getting delivered. It was pretty much fantastic service from you. If you guys are interested in steering wheels like that, go check him out. I'll leave the link to his Facebook down below. Check him out, yeah, and ask him what you would like, and hopefully he can do it for you. Peace.
Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in a new style.